Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Jason. In today's video, I got multiple requests on the applinked app because if you guys all know, the old version had a lot of viruses built into it. They did release a new version, and I'm getting a lot of people asking me, is the new version, does it have any viruses? Is it safe to download? Is it safe to use? So in today's video, we're going to test it out. Okay, so we're over here at the App Store or applinked store, and I'm just gonna download it right now. So it's right here. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open up Virus Total. Let's go to the app we just downloaded. I'm just gonna drag it here and I'm gonna do a quick test. As you guys can see, it is actually clean. There's no viruses on this new version. So this one here is safe to download. So let's head over to our Fire Stick and I'll show you how to download it and install it. Okay, so what you're gonna do is we're gonna head over to Downloader. If you don't have it, search or find, go to search, punch in D, and it's usually the top ones that pop up. It's right here. Just click on it. I already have it installed, but right here you'll get the chance to install it. Click on it. Now we're going to go up to the search bar and you're going to punch in the following. Head down to Go and press OK. Okay, so we're going to head down. If you guys want to create a store, you can do it right here. But we want to download the app. So we're going to go right here, hit download. It should start. Install. We're going to hit done. Then delete, then delete again. Now we're going to hit the home button on our remote. Now we're going to head over to apps, press OK, and it should be the one right at the bottom, and it'll get the little new right above it. If you want to move it, press and hold, and now you can move it anywhere you like. Press OK again to lock it in place. Press OK. And there you guys have it. So this is the latest clean version of the applinked. If you guys have any other questions, please give me a comment below. If you like this video, thumbs up. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. And like always, thanks for watching and have a great day.